Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. In the wake of digital disruption, how do you maintain productivity amongst constant change? Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron VINING, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Here's an interesting question about digital disruption. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. Here's an interesting question on digital disruption. Digital disruption causes digital transformation. It's a new wave of change. AI and cloud computing require a digital workforce mindset to efficiently achieve this transformation. How can you maintain productivity during constant change? In today's business environment, due to IoT, AI, automation, there is going to be disruption. And with disruption, there can be anxiety. As an organizational development, organizational behavior, and digital transformation consultant, I love this question. How do you maintain productivity during disruption? Well, what you do is you understand that there's going to be anxiety. And so what you do is you need to prepare your organization. You need to prepare those that are at the heart of your organization, and that is your employees. How you approach change, how you approach disruption, how you approach transformation, how you make your business agile is by making your people understand the need for change, making them understand that disruption, while it may make some things uncomfortable, will make them better in the end. That the transformation is going to make their job and your organization better. That becoming agile starts by not just making the company and its infrastructure and its systems agile, but by making its people agile with training. So one of the things that I typically do is I'll go into an organization, I'll assess what they are trying to accomplish, I'll make recommendations for change, I look to minimize the disruption that'll happen during the transformation, that's going to make the company more agile. And by doing so, not only do I consult on what will change in the organization, but I'll also train those employees. I'll develop a program that will ease their fears, boost their skills, so that they become stakeholders in, so that they own, so that they buy in, so that they have the ability to help move the organization forward, as opposed to feeling like the organization's moved forward and they've stepped behind. You certainly don't want to do that. Just making sure I answer your specific question. How do you maintain productivity during constant change? You do that by reassurance, you do that by communication, and you do that by skills training. You ask those that will be disrupted to become part of the change. You ask them to give input so that they will buy in, and you give them the resources or the tools to excel amidst the change. I hope that answers your question. I think that's the best way to go about it. And every organization today is going to face disruption in some form or fashion, and they're going to need to look to the approach that I just outlined. Great question. Thanks. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron VINING, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.